A day, another water heater to service. Same routine. Drain this thing out, check the top water supply, see if it's clogged. And oh, how clogged it is. Look at that debris settled in there. And what's going on in here? A whole lot of white scale buildup. Gonna have to chisel that out. Refill the heater, flush out all that mud, and look what came out. Look at all this debris I flushed out. This is why service is so important. Back to fresh, clean water. Probably added another 5 years of life to this heater. Job well done. Catch you on the next one.